Welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga Hawafandi from the 23rd to the 27th of March 2026 on Monday. Mom Sarah invites Sugar Basin to her office after Babu Sibisi leaves her no choice. Tembi's financial wars continue. Star is on Tender's hook or Tender's hooks, wondering what the verdict of the disciplinary hearing will be on Tuesday. A new job at Osizweni turns Sugar Basin's world upside down as long buried truth rises to the surface. Tembi finds herself torn between secret and new beginnings. Tar faces judgment day with shaky nerves, but life surprises her in an unexpected ways on Wednesday. Tembi loses another staff member while the cracks begin to show in her relationship, and it's Star's first day running the kiosk. She's a ball of nerves on this day. Tsunami turns the table on Oli and the Sabelo. Mam Sarah attempt to reach out to Sugar Basin takes a wrong turn, and Zandile gets a baptism of fire at work on Friday. Sabelo's world turns upside down as he risks everything to say goodbye. At Vibes, Tembi faces Tsunami's cruel taunt and learns his memory and his vengeance are fully restored. Meanwhile, Star's small victory in the kitchen sparks new hope for Dubai. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.